Yo, what up? So you can't afford a flagship smartphone, or you don't actually want one, but you want something cheap for the kids maybe. Check out the Cubot X19. Links will be down in the description box below if you're after one. I think this retails for around about £120, so what's that? $160 in the States, something like that. As I say, check out the links down in the description box below. Very minimalistic packaging here, not a lot on it. So you've got the SIM card tray eject tool here. Nice and simple. You've got some reading material here. Leave that to one side. You've got a 2-pin power adapter. I'll have to use a 3-pin UK power adapter to get that working. You get a standard data transfer and charging lead. So you've got a USB type A connector and a USB type C connector. Quite refreshing to see that on such a small and not small but cheap device here. No frills packaging, so if you get that out, pretty much nothing else in there, so get that to one side. And this is the Cubot X19. Comes with a case already in it. How cool is that? And the colours change there as well, absolutely awesome. So let's have a look. It looks like it's got a screen protector already on it here. As you can see, 5.93-inch display, 4 gigs of RAM, comes with 64 gigabytes of storage. It's got dual rear facing cameras here, 16 megapixel and a 2 megapixel with a 8 megapixel front facing camera, as you can see, with a pretty big battery saying capacity 4000 milliamp hours. Now let's get the screen protector on. It's pretty cool that they ship this device with a screen protector already on it, so let's peel it off. Absolutely awesome, and you can see they're cut out there where it goes around the screen. And let's take it out of its silicone casing. That's pretty cool that you can get a case with it as well. It's almost as if they thought of absolutely everything. So nice little silicone case just to protect it. I've got to say, I do like the color. To be fair, it changes according to the light greenish bluish tint, and it looks like it's got another sticker here. Can I take this off? I've got no nails. Yeah, you can just lift it off so it's nice and clean. It just says Cubot on it. Fingerprint sensor, dead center where you'd expect it. So let's have a quick look around here. So you've got the 3.5mm audio jack along the top here. Along the sides, that's a SIM card tray eject tool, because you can see the pinhole there. And along the bottom, you've got some speakers. I'm guessing one of those is going to be dummy, the other one's going to be just a speaker. A USB type C connector, and you've got the power and the volume up and down buttons. It's amazing what you get for your money these days. So 120 quid, $160. Very tactile and clickety clackety buttons here. Cubot powered by Android. I've only had it a couple of minutes and you can see already it's attracting fingerprints, but I love that bluish tint though. Once you've set it up, you get a pure Android-esque experience here. Very minimalistic, I'm going to say, in terms of the skin. Very pure Androidish, which I love, to be fair, as you can see. And if you go down here, let's go down to system, see what version of Android we have. And if we go, Android version is 8, so Oreo on this device. But yeah, how cool is this? 120 quid for a smartphone. And if you're wondering what the screen is, the screen is an IPS display, full HD, so you're talking about 1080 by 2160 in terms of the resolution. Absolutely awesome for the amount of money that you're paying here. Bit weird of a SIM card tray eject tool, but hey ho, form fits purpose, I guess. And you get a hybrid SIM card tray here as well, which means you can either use 2 SIM cards or you can use 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. Absolutely awesome what you get for your money these days. You could buy 5 or 6 of these compared to a price of a flagship device. Absolutely awesome. Yeah, check it out if you're looking after a cheap smartphone for yourself, or maybe your kids for their starter phone. I'm a real fan of getting cheap phone for your kids, not really one to buy a flagship device for maybe a 14-year-old kid. But one of these, if he's going to drop it, then it's not really going to hurt me inside that he's dropped a device compared to if he gets a flagship device. Learn the value of tech, people. So yeah, check it out. Links in the description down below. Cubot X19, 120 quid here in the UK, $160. Absolutely awesome what you get for your money. Thanks for watching. Have a wicked day, and I'll see you next time.